Morning, Tennessee. This is John Simpson with Roof MD. We're here in Brentwood today on a beautiful home. Got some chimney issues. The chimney cap is sunken down, needs to be replaced. We've got water traveling on both sides, saturating the brick, which is not a waterproof feature unless the brick has been sealed, so it can introduce moisture into the home. The step flashing was done by kindergartners with crazy silicone. It's kicked out here, it's open. The chimney is leaking, so it needs to be taken apart and redone. The roof is aged, and that might be part of it. So as we pull up, we'll put new ice and water shield in there, new shingles, make sure that the chimney is done watertight. Throughout the roof, we find a number of issues just around the pipes. The shingles are aged. We've got cracked splits. The pipe boots still have good rubber on them. Adequate ventilation here at this ridge. It is a hip roof, so there's not a lot of ventilation. Box vents aid in that ventilation. As you can see along this edge, the white shining, the fiberglass is showing through to the roof, indicating it's near the end of its life. As we come down to this end, number of pop nails all along here, making their way through the roof, usually due to wind buffeting the system, and as the nails come up through, we have potential for a leak. The ridge cap over the garage was not vented. We have two box vents, but it could really use a ridge vent here. Transition coming off of the sloped roof into the garage was kind of ad hoc. A lot of sealant here. It just doesn't provide a good flow for water. Should be a little bit shorter, should be cleaner, so it functions longer. All the repairs in sealant are dying. Down here we have a leak. It's been covered by a small piece of roofing paper. And then the satellite dish was installed a while back. It's rotted because the seal on the screws was not done properly and it needs to be removed. There are so many repairs on this roof, we're most likely going to recommend a re-roof in this situation because of the cost involved and the length of time that this roof has left to provide meaningful service. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD here in Brentwood, Tennessee.